Hello everyone, this is RVer Frank with Kathy and Coco. We are leaving the town of Washington in southern Utah on Highway 15 headed north up to Cedar City about an hour ahead to check out that area. Off to the west of here is Silver Reef, a ghost town in Washington County, Utah, about 15 miles northeast of St. George and a mile west of Leeds. Silver Reef was discovered and established after John Kemple, a prospector from Nevada, discovered a vein of silver in a sandstone formation in 1866.
To think about it was like a movie.
It's a very unique community. The last place you'd expect.
At first, geologists were uncertain about Kemple's find because silver is not usually found in sandstone. In 1875, two bankers from Salt Lake City sent William Barbee to the site to stake mining claims and is credited with getting the mining going. It is said he staked 21 or 22 claims, and an influx of miners came to work Barbee's claims and to stake their own. To accommodate the miners, Barbee established a town called Bonanza City. Property values were high, so several miners settled on a ridge to the north of it and named their settlement Rockpile. Later, renamed in 1876, Silver Reef became an established town and businessmen arrived. By 1879, about 2,000 people were living in Silver Reef. The town had a mile-long main street with many businesses, among them a Wells Fargo office, and a cosmopolitan restaurant. There were hotels, 9 stores, 6 saloons, a bank, several restaurants, a hospital, 2 dance halls, 2 newspapers, and a Chinatown and 3 cemeteries. Although adjacent to many settlements with the majority of Mormon residents, the town never had a meeting house for Latter-day Saints, or otherwise known as LDS, only a Catholic church. In 1879, a fire destroyed several businesses, but the residents rebuilt them. Mines were gradually closed, most of them by 1884, as price of silver dropped. In 1891, the last mine shut down. About $25 million worth of ore had been taken from the mines here. Between 1891 and 1901, another $250,000 of ore was taken out of the area. By 1901, most of the buildings in town had either been demolished or moved to Leeds or elsewhere. Today, the Wells Fargo office, the Cosmopolitan restaurant, the Rice Building, and numerous foundations and walls remain in the town site. The old Wells Fargo Express office is on the National Historical Register and is now a museum. A lot of the surrounding area of the old town are now homes and housing developments and are restricted to public access.